Hello everyone. We will be studied about in the last video about the change of states of matter, in which we studied about the decrease in temperature. And now we okay we in the last videos we studied about the kinetic energy. So when all the particles of matter are never at rest. This is also we studied in the last videos. The particle of matter possess different amount of kinetic energy. Every particles of matter possess different amount of kinetic energy. So the particles of liquid have more kinetic energy in comparison to solid. So therefore, they are able to overcome the force of attraction. They easily can overcome the force of attraction and convert into vapors without any external force. If we observed in the earlier classes that if we or you experimented at home, when you left the water in any vessel, so the water evaporates. Vapor evaporates in the nature without any external force. If you left at the atmospheric temperature, then it also vaporizes. So this process is known as evaporation. This process is known as evaporation. The change of liquid into the gases is known as evaporation. So the evaporation is the phenomena of change of liquid into vapors at any given temperature below its boiling point. Below its boiling point. That means boiling point से कम होगा. That is less than the boiling point is known as evaporation. Is known as evaporation. Next is, well, how is evaporation different from boiling? We studied in the last in this definition of the evaporation that the given temperature below its boiling point. So how is evaporation is different from boiling? If we studied about this, if we study about this image, so we can see that vapor are converting. Vapors are goes out of the beaker, but in this boiling, the vapors only bubbles can form. Bubbles are formed and rise, and these are moving here and there only. But in this, vapor pressure is less and atmospheric pressure is high, so bubbles cannot form. And in this condition, vapor pressure and atmospheric pressure is both are equal, and bubbles can form and rise. So we can say that no bubbles in the evaporation, uh, no bubbles in the evaporation, and bubbles in the boiling. The factor affecting evaporation. What are the factors that affect the evaporation? So we can say that conditions are these and rate of evaporation, and the reason is this. Condition is first is increase in surface area. If we increase the surface area, then rate of evaporation is also increased. If I put the water in this vessel, and other water, some water in this vessel, we can say that the rate of evaporation is high in this and less in this beaker A and B. The reason is particle have more space and thus can evaporate easily. The particle of liquid in this vessel have more space. Next condition is increase in temperature. If we increase in temperature, then rate of evaporation also increases. You observe that when we put the water on the gas stove, then the temperature increases and kinetic energy also increases between the particles. So the rate of evaporation increases. Third is increase in humidity. When humidity is increased, the rate of evaporation decreases. You observe that at the time of rainy season, then the humidity is increased in the atmosphere, then the rate of evaporation is decreases. Reason is water content in the air increases and so evaporation decreases. Fourth is increase in wind speed. If we increase the wind speed, the rate of evaporation increases. Uh, In the daily life example, if you observe that when wind speed is high and the clothes are dry, we left the clothes in the open area, then due to that high speed of wind, the clothes dry earlier. Clothes dry in a short time. So reason is water vapor are blown away by the winds, allowing more evaporation. नेक्स्ट इज हाउ evaporation causing cooling. evaporation की वजह से हम cooling कैसे कर सकते हैं? So the evaporation is the process of evaporation uses the energy of liquid particles. Evaporation process uses the energy of liquid particle. Therefore, the particle absorb energy from the surroundings in order to compensate the energy. This being lost in the process of evaporation, this result in the cooling of surrounding area. uh, we see the example. Examples are our palm feel cool when we put some acetone on it. When we put acetone on our palm, so then we feel cool because the evaporation happens. Now, second is people sprinkle water on their roof or ground on the sunny days to cool the area. You'll when you uh, sometimes people sprinkle the water around or in front of their home, so the area can be cool, or sprinkle the water on the roof so the house can be some reduce the temperature. Now third is we are able to sip hot water tea faster in a bowl than a cup. If we take a large bowl or we put a tea in that, we can sip easily, but in a small cup we cannot sip easily. uh, Next is, what are two other states of matter? We studied about the three states of matter. Three states of matter, that is that are solid, liquid and gas. Now we will study about the other states of matter. Now this is the question for you before starting the new video or next video. Please find about the other two states of matter, and we will study about the next video. Thank you.